Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to execute Salesforce SOQL in VS Code. After Eclipse with the Salesforce IDE, uh, VS Code is widely used by multiple or many developers. For Lightning Web Component, this VS Code is a free IDE where we can develop Lightning Web Component for your org. We can also develop other components, and if you want to quickly execute SOQL, then you can make use of VS Code itself. I have seen developers using developer console. That is also a powerful tool, but since many developers use VS Code, if they quickly want to run some SOQLs, they can do that directly in VS Code. Let's see how to execute SOQL in VS Code. The first step is go to Visual Studio Marketplace and search for SOQL Builder for Visual Studio Code. Once you search it, you will be able to install it. Click install. It will redirect you to VS Code and then you will be able to install. After installation, make sure you restart the VS Code, and once it is restarted, under scripts, which is under manifest, there will be a folder called SOQL, and by default the plugin gives us this account.soql, but you yourself can create any a .soql extension file name. You can right click on the SOQL folder, you can click new file, you can give any name, and the extensions should be .soql. Once that is done, right click that .soql extension file and then click open with. Here, instead of text editor, which is the default option, select SOQL Builder. Yeah, once you do that, you will be able to see selection of fields, from which object filter, order by limit, and other things. So here I'm selecting from account object. I'm selecting account number and billing city. If you want to select any other field, you can select it, and then you can save the SOQL also. And you have filter conditions, and you can select order by. So order by, I have selected account number. You can also select whether it is ascending or descending, null set last or null set first. Then you can also select the limit. So once you run the SOQL, it will fetch the data. The interesting part here is you can download it as a .csv file extension, comma separated value extension, or JSON extension. If you do any integration, if the third-party application developer or architect is asking for a JSON response, you can easily download as .json format, and then you can share it with them. So after installing SOQL Builder for VS Code, we will be able to run SOQLs directly in VS Code. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.